Okay, so this is going to be an unboxing video for the Tanto, Cuore 10th anniversary Kickstarter. All I've done so far is just rip open the packaging. So let's get this opened and take a look. Now this isn't just I didn't do just the base Kickstart. I also got a few extra items such as the art book, so I'm excited to see what those look like. All right, first right off the bat, we have the foil copy of the first set. Even the box itself is shiny and holographic, so that is pretty neat. Let's open that up at the end of the video. Here I got the deck box. Probably can't actually use this for Tanto Cuore unless I make a really, really small deck. Otherwise, I could save it for probably Magic the Gathering. Over here we have something. I'm not sure what this is. Looks like we have a pin. Is this a pin? It is a pin. It looks like it has... oh, these must be symbols for all 5 expansions. That's pretty nice. Very nice. We have the gaming mats here. Several mats even. There should be 1 mat for each expansion here. Let's see here. Looks like we have the Expanding the House expansion mat. Oktoberfest. Winter Romance, the Butler. I actually promised this for one of my friends. The base set. Wait, no, that one's Expanding the House. Which one was the swimsuit one? Oh, well. And I'll get my expansions wrong. Blasphemy. Oh, it says it right on it. That's the vacation one. Silly me. Let's see what else we got. Oh, that's right. I picked up the mouse pad. See if we can get a good look at that one. I'll just start using that. This is the promo card set. Looks like they are also holographic, which is pretty nice. These promo cards look like they're based off of operating systems. Think the whole OS-ton meme thing. We have Linux. We have Macy Apple. And Windows. They're pretty cute. I don't know, I gotta say that Windows is the cutest, but that's just me. You're entitled to your opinion. Over here, another promo pack. I'll have to open that up. And, oh, I got a jumbo-sized playmat here. Oh, the art book, I could take a look at that in a minute. So, oh, it looks like this is... Oh, wow, you can have just a full-on game here. Look at all those squares. We don't even use that many squares in a full game, do we? Like, well, I guess if you want to have some kind of super uber game that has, like, I don't know, beer and chapel. I don't know why some of these boxes are just doubled up. That is so many spaces. It's crazy. Let's take a look at the art book. Art book is sealed. Let's see if I can get this open. Okay. Look at that nice full page shot. Oh, I'm definitely going to pour into this later. Very nice. Very nice. A nice little, like, little stories for each one. Oh, look at this, look at their character bios. I see. Look at this guy. Very nice. Pages are very thick. Very nice quality. Let's take a look at the promo pack. Oh, right. So that's right. The operating system ladies. They're here in this promo pack. Windows, Linux, Apple. Anything else? Anybody else in this pack? Oh, looks like we have some. Looks a ghost maid. Huh. Oh, this is a private maid. It's like if you're playing the first set. Yeah, these are all private maids. Interesting. Huh. Neat. I'll try those out. And just foil versions again. Let's just take a quick look at the base set before I wrap up this video. How shiny that is. Oh, Ariette foil card? Beautiful. Woohoo, look at that shine. Very beautiful. Let's just take a look at a couple of the cards. Well, let's just start right off with Marianne. Beautiful. I'm going to stop the video there. Thank you so much for coming to my unboxing video. And support this wonderful game if you like. If you like deck builders, if you like anime maids, or both. Okay, thanks. Bye.